Hi, this is Brian. I'm Karn from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today in East Hampton, and I'm measuring this bungalow. So my scope of work for this project is to create exterior elevation drawings, floor plans, reflected ceiling plans, and electrical plans. Here's a little bit of the interior. So we have this first floor level, cathedral ceiling in here, and then we have a door down to a finished basement right there. There's a bedroom around this corner over here, and then a bedroom right there. So this is what I'm working on today. I figured I'd show you around. If you're ever in need of existing addition drawings, whether it's in the Hamptons, the city, upstate, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.